In this training video, you'll receive a high-level overview of the new features and improvements of Sage X3 Cloud version 11. This includes improvements to the user interface, as well as improvements in the areas of financials, distribution, and manufacturing, and many improvements that have been made to the mobile interface. Now, what are some of the benefits and new features and improvements in Sage X3 Cloud version 11? Now, these new features and improvements will help you work faster, simpler, and with more flexibility in all key business areas of the software. First, let's take a look at the improvements made to the user interface, including the new global header and numerous user interface enhancements allowing you to work more efficiently within the software. Now, the new global header provides easy access to profile information and regional preferences. You can also access a list of roles, the endpoint folder to use, bookmarks, personalizing pages, an online help center, and the search feature. There are numerous user interface enhancements allowing you to work more efficiently within the software, such as improvements with resizing tree view tables, integration with TCI, and improvements to the navigating pages in the tablet client. There are also many powerful improvements in the financial module, including the currency conversion process, pre-consolidation balances in real time, advanced bank statement management, accelerated data entry in financial functions, reminder campaigns, and allocation of costs. So let's dig a little bit deeper into the financial improvements. So in the currency conversion process, you can re-evaluate accounts on the basis of the balance and detail of the transactions. You can also associate flexible business rules to each account. Additionally, it's now possible to process all accounts in one run. In the improvements in the financial consolidation, it provides the right information at the right time. The information is defaulted or entered in the journal entry lines according to the setup and aggregated in the pre-consolidation balances in real time. There's also advanced bank statement management, which improves the payment entry process by automating routine tasks. For example, you can import the bank statement files using the MT940 as a standard format, but setup tools empower users to define additional formats. You can run a process to automatically match each bank operation in the statement to open items according to the user-defined search criteria. You can review the results of the automatic matching and process additional manual match entries if necessary. Then you generate payments after completion of the matching. You post the payments using the standard payment functions, the payment entry remittance generation. There also are many quick win improvements in the financial functions to provide faster data entry. Here are just a few of the many quick win improvements. You now have the ability to auto-select when entering a business partner, supplier, customer, or dimension. The length of the account shortcode is now increased to 12 characters. And you can define the consistency control between amounts such as tax excluded, tax, and tax included on a supplier and customer invoice. The reminder campaign has improved with a set of new functionalities so that processes are more flexible. For example, you can manage reminder charges according to amounts, describe reminder intervals that define a cycle for an open item to appear in the reminder proposal and the reminder letter, and define a maximum reminder level for an open item. The allocation costs improvements allow you to automatically allocate early discounts and late charges according to the dimensions of the related invoices. Additionally, there are various improvements in local compliancy of these countries. For example, in Australia, when creating a supplier or accounts payable invoice, You are alerted if the information related to the business partner is not complete. There are many improvements that are made to distribution as well, including inbound logistics and signature approvals. In the area of inbound logistics, there are new fields to help purchasing field containers and shipments to maximum capacity. There's document tracking, which has been added to shipment and transport to provide flexibility and visibility. There's a new grid in the shipment function for specifying customized tracking by setting a list of steps or actions required to complete on the shipment or transport. There's management of product costs on the shipment provides the ability to modify or add product costs before receiving goods. There is more specified workflow for signature approval process on sales and purchasing documents, making it easier to review pertinent details and complete approval or rejection process. Now, there's also many improvements that are made to manufacturing process, including traceability of routing changes through version management. And there are numerous shop floor tracking improvements as well. Now, for versioning and the routing, it's similar to the version management for bills of material. You can manage major and minor version numbers in order to accurately trace changes. There are numerous shop floor tracking improvements as well, such as an efficient way to capture labor and production detail, manager processing, team management, and automated data collection. Also, the enhancement that's been made for the mobile user interface include numerous mobile app features, such as dashboard improvements, and availability with Apple iOS. Now, the way that dashboards are managed has been improved on mobile devices. You can easily customize the dashboard using the icon or from the menu. You can add, delete, or move groups. You can also change the order of the tiles and colors. Additionally, dashboard templates can be created and shared between users by selecting the roles where the templates are available. Now, a dedicated iOS client is available that embeds the browser and adds device-bound features to improve the user experience. Other features include the ability to open a barcode scanner from an icon, camera integration with resizing, modification, and highlighting capabilities, text messages to display information on statuses, customize and remove tiles on the iOS dashboard, and set reminders. Now you have learned a high-level overview of the new features and improvements of Sage X3 Cloud version 11. You have learned that these new features and improvements will help you work faster, simpler, and with more flexibility in all your key business areas of the software.